Live? Check ko?
Sige nga. Hindi agad-agad din. Nakakainis nga eh. Ayun. Nakasulat dun. Connected.
Mahirap sa net. Or...
Wala. Sinet up ko yan eh. Ang weird kasi nung unang setup ko sa kanya. 1 AM ko tinatry eh. Nag-upload yung 1 AM video ko. Tapos the next day, nung tinry ko rin, ayaw. Anyway, try lang natin yun. Kasi i-record din naman yun. Tapos upload ko mapapag.
highlights lang.
Panghirap mag-edit.
NBA TV, di ba? Lahat.
Oh! 7 na tayo.
Shot clock. On board.
What's the buzzer king? Who's gonna do the pano?
Okay, Ryan.
The buzzer.
Ano tayo? Nating gawi. Tulak pa lang tayo. Bakit?
Narrow 50-50.
We can do it. May pump pa tayo? Po! May hipap pa. Hindi ko may pump sa ano, may pump sa...
Medyo malambot to ng konti.
Sa counter, sa counter.
God! Meron ba kayo?
10 free throw, pre!
Ibang bola muna pa. Ayan, ito, kuya.
Oh yeah, Nicora and...
Everyone's in Nicora. Yeah, hopefully he gets a try.
He's running against a rookie 5'8", like, and Nicora.
I'm hoping Nicora and Trindle. That's my...
I got Nicora and Militalo.
I got Nicora, Militalo, and...
Oh! Problema!
I'm not even saying it's never walking my
You have to consider that dead. Patay!
You know what press they're doing? They're doing the...
I wish Kyle.
Villanova.
We didn't play for 2 weeks. Diba?
They're doing the Villanova. No, I mean they press when they get a shot. Unlike what they did for they do the press when they get a shot.
Well, if we had all our players,
They shouldn't do it. We need to win tonight.
yes, we do.
I'll do my best.
We'll all do our
If we win, Jeremy will buy me a shoe. I'll do my best. Ulitin mo yung katawan mo yung pump. Hindi magtatasa mo. Tatang Valdez, ako na magtatasa. If we don't have guard, I'll just play guard.
Right. Puro baka sa input.
If we don't have any guards tonight, I'll play guard. Because we're 6 enemies. Who can play point guard?
You and Ryan.
Pag napagod ka,
So that's a foul on Derek's team, right?
14.
How do I do the foul? Yeah.
Dapat nakas ka. Sino yung nakas ka? Hindi, tuto na. Ay, ito?
Yeah.
Si Derek.
Derek and
Derek in this one. 7.
wasn't it Sam?
The point is there. They have plenty of runs.
No, that's because we had less players.
If you're gonna foul, you foul with run. Don't waste it.
That's Derek's team, right?
Yes. 0.
You're right. So tonight, I don't see. Leo's not playing for them. That's what Leo's overseas.
Leo's overseas.
So that's one
It's
less.
Rani, Can, Brian, Rene,
So the only guys on
Richmond.
the only guys. Is that a foul?
Travel.
The only guys I'm worried about scoring, obviously Renee, who's their main scorer,
Brian.
and Brian. But as long as we can test Brian, we play the box one. So you guys, that's your job. So limit this guy. He's very fit, man.
I'm very fit.
I know, I did that.
My shirts are very fit.
Is that good?
Sino yan?
Derek.
Derek pa.
He's good all their plays. Watch it. Oh. Is that a foul?
Same ball. Same ball.
Jump ball?
Yeah.
We don't need this.
Give it one team. Mikey has only 6 players.
Oh, really? Oh, that was it.
They can also because they get upset.
What players, man? That's crazy. Because they wanted 5 players.
On the way, dude, on the way.
That's how you beat the press. See that?
We were doing that.
Oh, we just
We
gassed
were
out.
doing that.
They're gonna gas out if they don't gas us out.
We were doing that.
Oh, we just actually take it.
No, you know what happened? Wala dito. Live ball.
Stop.
Huwag mong itakbo yung bola. You don't run the ball. You don't push it. Si Brian, Huwag niyo na sabihin yung pangalan, yung si Brian. Charles. Hindi ako marunong magbasa nun.
We're used to this now.
Come on! I'm used to this, but the numbers...
Wala.
Hindi mo nga sabay, de? Pag NBL 1 nga yung ano na nag-shame easy.
We should take a picture.
Bro.
Boy, what awards. These must be...
Sub!
4 fouls total?
Yes. Tira nito pati po. Anim lang sila. Sub. Kuya...
2?
10.
Who's the foul on?
10.
Okay, foul on number 10. Head.
Nice check. Rani, bago makalimutan ni Jer. Okay na.
Rani had a haircut. Mark, that good stuff. Did you get that?
Just one. You missed the first.
This is a good opportunity for us to look for weaknesses in Derek's team. Hey, nice haircut, bro.
Ano muna ako ngayon, focus muna tayo sa isang goal.
23.
Ayaw 90s to.
Derek, follow Derek.
Sino Derek?
Derek. So the first half, look at their points. It's very close. So we know that the first half and the second half is when they sort of line up a little bit. They take advantage of everybody being tired in the second half.
But the only thing upside in this. Hey, tumama! First half of the game.
I didn't watch it. I just heard they were up by a lot, 17 to something.
17 in the first half.
He gets must be injured because he missed the wins.
Something is something. Patay. Black, lalagyan ko ng stats yun. Actually, hindi rin pala. Walang point na magkapanalo sila. Kailangan matalo nila maigi yung mga kalaban natin sa gitna. The team that Mikey needs to beat are the teams that are in the middle, not there. Me. Perep. Yes, rep.
No, tayo.
Time out daw! Time out daw! Hindi. We really need to.
Dapat hinawakan yung bola.
Ano, tutuloy niyo pa yung time out nyo? King! Dead ball, time out daw.
I feel on Derek.
Derek. Huwag nyo na gamitin sa inyo. Kila Derek na lang. Time out!
Does this help? Hey.
Ano yung post? How to post?
Oh, you're doing right? Doing right.
So we're gonna stop and then press timeout.
First season, straight. Even though sa timeout, the clock is
Oh, you're running fast.
very short.
Now it's 20.
Di na-translate. Two blocks na yun ako is. Score tayo! Kuha, rebound! Foul! Number! Brian! 20. Sige, kunwari naiintindihan ko, pero Brian yan. Sub! Seven ah, isa pa. Aten.
Iniiwasan.
Lima na foul ni Roy. Joke lang. Ay, sorry.
Dalawa.
Papa Jack.
Alala pa naman ako, bakit gumagala yung shot ko?
Hindi na lang. So,
I'm gonna reset the foul.
it's an next period, right? You don't have to say that. Because otherwise, we just count it like, just use this time, and then we can reset it.
Okay.
Because otherwise, it might be
Yeah.
erase all the
Yeah, sure.
explosions that you don't need.
Lamig ah.
Good.
Lamig. Yeah, I played with Stephen yesterday, last night.
Oh, really? How is it?
Nalaro ba daw si Lakay?
Yesterday, last night?
Oo, si Steven.
Naglaro kami kapon. First game niya.
Naglaro si
Yeah,
Steven?
he missed a lot of games. I think he missed 4 games.
Oh, Steven.
But I said you cannot play you cannot play semis if you're not playing at least 3 games.
Sa
At least,
Bongkam yun?
kaya naglaro na siya.
Bongkam.
Yeah, kahit malayo na. Wala siya ngayon.
Ang ano yun eh. Maiksi lang yung court din yun eh.
Buti nga hinabaan ka mo, buti ginawang 4th quarter. Dati lang ginawang...
Malapit lang eh. Court is so short. Kaya pag ginagis mo, diretso eh.
Hindi ka mapagod, kulang yung takbo mo.
Parang gang dito lang eh.
Did he play good?
Stephen plays good.
Kami nag-opening dun. Sa Ballroom. Sa Model Park. Kami nag-ano dun. Bago...
Ba't di ka na doon tayo mas malapit?
Basta.
He's trying to figure out someone
Yeah.
so it's gonna be
Oh, he used to be able to say that. The camera. Yeah.
so it's gonna be so at the moment they're doing too much. Henry. Down to fast play.
I don't know. We'll see. It said Hendrick didn't say what Tom just told me Hendrick said.
That's Henry.
Oh yeah. He's sick. He's playing sick.
He's ready. Oh, he's playing. He's not bad. I think he's gonna feel it.
Same with Darryl is 50-50.
Foul on the
5.
Brian or Derek?
Yung scroll down. Pasok daw yung scroll. tatlo. Kaya Katni. Kaya Bray. Si Roy.
Oh!
Sino na Papa Jack?
Press. Press, diba?
Laban mo yun sa taas.
I gotta move. See how they're all just standing?
Finish. Back, very good. Kuha na. Back. Swing, Ninyo. Let's go, Derek. Woo! Ay, gitna, kuha na.
Subnext Netball King ha. Subnext Netball King.
Sub. Foul 14.
Sub! Ayan, puwasok na. Sorry. Naglilistad. Multitasking.
Stop. Scored all the points, but
He's 10. Wall yan.
stop. Another one.
11.
I think Dirksen.
Ako 14.
14.
Tatlo. Sub daw, sub. Ninyo, no? Si Ninyo, hula mo si Ninyo. 11.
Maximize their fouls, man. There was 7 last round.
They still have plenty of fouls to give.
Yeah, I know, but I mean,
Sino naman? 6. Oh, tama.
Sub daw after
Next dead ball.
Sub after dead ball.
Sino?
Si Rep. Next dead ball.
You can sub now if you want to.
Next dead ball daw, next.
Dead ball.
Pag travel, may kasamang giling. Pag may travel sa giling.
Carlos.
That's his first point.
They're gonna. No.
Derek.
How many?
They're last one. They're 7. They are 7.
Magang penalty to. Patay.
Next foul, penalty na pula. Next foul, penalty na yung pula.
Hey, let's go! Derek, one stop, say you here.
Ano sabihin? Eh, ref! Kailan!
See when they're inbound, they're not really moving, they're not looking at the ground. Only one person.
Yeah, they're moving together. Penalty!
Penalty.
Is that 24?
Yes, no, 23.
24.
24.
Penalty na kaya. Sub daw, ref. Sub. Only 1 point, right?
Yeah.
Orochimaru.
Watch when they score, watch when they inbound it. 2 players are standing, 2 or 3 players are standing still.
Cut B? Wala mo, cut B?
Number 10. Leroy.
Apat na! Iray, apat ka na. Nilipat sa'yo yung kanina eh. Ni Brian.
Nakaganyan na nga ako, yung 10. Oh, 4 na. Okay. Okay yun, tama. Inform nyo lang sila.
Wala, penalty, nag-rebound. That's his first point. Only one shot made, right? Robert. We lost Camilo to Robert. Hoy, free throw merchant, SJ! Tanawa, SJ! Over the back. Lakas mong bisa nung audience ah. Last mong bisa nung audience. Kumain natin yung tuhod. Penalty! Marami-rami pa silang foul. May ano pa sila.
Penalty! Kanina pa?
Maximize nila.
Maximize nila lang
I
tong
will
foul.
take that was an advantage.
Wala pa nga si Jim eh. Wala pa nga si Jim din eh.
That's a good point, right?
1 point, huh? Basket.
750. 750.
I mean, there.
They have the different score. Two more? One shot.
One shot for Miguel. One shot.
Sino ba pinaka-close na kalaro natin?
How much points is there?
14.
Miguel, 2 points. Time out, time
Sub
out.
daw, sub! Time out, time
Time
out,
out, time out.
time out. Time out daw, time out, Trek, time out. Uy, may time out pa kayo ha. Ginayari niyo yan.
First team foul for the
First team foul.
red.
Yes, 7. Yeah. Ay, ay.
What is this?
Mikey.
Oh.
There you go. I type it in the wrong, like, you know, it's supposed to be this one's white. Mikey is red.
Yeah, that would make it easier, man.
I just think, well, you didn't say anything.
I don't know. Oh, because I kind of knew their teams.
Sunday daw.
But after 8, I didn't know their teams.
Tapos inom.
Kasing
Inom
gano'n.
pagkatapos.
May pito.
Sa umaga pa pito mo.
Hindi, hapon.
Pag nag-champion kami, kaya malamang. Punta ka na lang. Bibigatan ko rin.
Yung right. Ay, no, right wing.
Gagalingan ka na lang. Oo.
Just have to try my best not to foul out, especially if it's up. That means I'm going to have to play a lot less sensitive.
Yeah. Yeah, you just control. You don't need to make a pace.
Start. This game is so draining. The second game was
Hindi mo ba napit? Hindi ba napit? Hindi stop time, di ba? Ano? Under 2 lang, sir. Under 2, sir. Pag under 10. Under 10 yung lamang. Pina, penalty! Derek, apat ka na, Derek! Derek, apat!
Derek apat ha?
Free throw kayo, free throw!
Gusto ko lang malaman lang.
Apat na Derek, apat na Iroy. Stop time ko para sa inyo. Sabi ba lang, stop time ko. Hindi kasi nagdadamit yung player nyo. Kunyari sa'yo, yun. Sa pilok. Ano?
Basketball!
Sino?
Only one ha, only one.
Stop time pag 2 minutes ah. Yes, 7:50.
Sub next dead ball.
Sub!
Carlo.
Basket na,
Si Carlo, di ba?
Sub, dead ball, sub!
Stop next dead ball daw.
They're missing Jim. They're defensive.
Ay! Libre! Utang na Anthony!
How are they getting these rebounds, bro?
No box ah. Inang yan. Hey, travel. Stop! Ready, stop time. It's 10 minutes. Last 20 seconds. Good!
Foul!
Apat! Come on! Clear!
Put your phone on time now, yeah?
This is stop time now.
This is crucial now.
I'll say stop and go. I'll say stop and go.
We'll get
I'll say
hard.
stop and go. Stop.
Thanks, make sure ha.
Yep.
Every sessions ha. This is gonna be crucial.
Dagdagan mo namin score.
As soon as he touches it.
As soon as he touches. Reset 14. Stop. Sino foul? 14. Hirap pa sa akin. 14. Apat na rin.
May timeout.
Po?
May timeout.
Wala, kayo nag-timeout eh. Wala. May timeout pa kayo. Dami nyo ng bilog dito. Wala na, kulang na. Shoot!
Carlos.
Ready for your stop and go. If that misses, you start.
If he misses,
You started. If not, you don't. Yeah, start.
what about when they inbound?
No. Reset. Oh, stop. Hold out.
Five fouls!
Stop time. 110. Ayaw nila mag-stop.
Just relax.
Stop dito, pero doon hindi.
Just relax. Hey! Out! Kaya makialam dito, bahay ko kayo. Okay. So this is the right one, right? Okay. So now it's gonna have to foul on Derek. So how many fouls is there?
Oh, no.
Okay.
High pressure game sa table.
Pressure table.
Uy, ito mas mahirap po. Kami na lang misco.
That's alright.
Dinidikdik na namin dito.
Don't press it, because otherwise,
I pressed it and then it didn't.
because otherwise you're gonna break it.
Because I pressed it, it stopped, and then it continued.
I know what it feels.
And then he pressed it, and then it's like,
Okay.
yeah.
So sila lang ang may timeout, ha?
Ah, sila. May time out na.
If he misses this, I'm gonna start the time.
Yeah, if he misses, start. Stop. Start the time. Oh, okay. SGA, baka SGA yan.
14.
On what?
Fouled out. Fouled out kay Anthony. Fouled out, fouled out. Kuya, kuya. Kuya Pat. Fouled out.
One point.
Who, Jack?
He misses this.
Uy, coach! Bravo na! Collapse na eh! Grabe naman to, kami yung table, tinatapat kami dito. Time out, time out, time out! Late nagpapawas yun doon.
Tama naman.
Ha? Tama nga.
Tama naman, nag-inbound sila ron. Oo, na-deflect. Counted pa rin yung counting. Hindi yung shot clock din.
No, yung shot clock nag-start yun dapat tama ko.
And every time it's
No,
Hindi, natapik eh. Tapik lang, hindi naman, parang, hindi naman nag-change possession, natapik lang.
Yeah, pero that's ang violation ang ano to.
nag-ulit pa rin
We
yung
have to
call.
call, we have to
Continue counting.
continue the
Oh,
counting
yung
of the 8 seconds violation to cross.
Kasi, kasi possession pa rin nila yung
Yeah.
kailangan nila i-cross.
But if the ball went back to red and then come back again to white,
yeah, that's
we have to reset.
Kasi kasi binigyan mo ng 7 ako 6 nga lang.
6.
Kaya, need to warm up. Need to warm up. Warm up. Uy! Pakitaan nyo ako na.
Wala tayong 14 ha?
SGA,
Reset
SGA.
tayo ng 24.
Walang 14 na.
No. Because what happened
Wala,
is...
wala. Change possession.
Walang change.
So 24.
So when they touch the ball, that's when I started.
Yeah.
Yes, when inbound. Galit na sila kay Kuya Jack sa mga ikot niya. Eh tama naman, maliit lang talaga yung iniikutan niya. Because Jack uses his elbow to create space. But the problem is,
couple please. Okay? Okay. Good.
There's a foul on?
Ninya. Si Ninya daw.
Ano sila?
Mike!
Kaya kasi nga binaganan siya eh. Ang bearing naman eh. Parang pang good feels lang ba sa team nila.
May foul tayo!
Pang good feels lang. The hope we get is because it's another OT.
Ninyo pa.
Three foul. Ninya, tatlo ah!
Tatlo.
Pag sinot ni Carlo yung dalawa, patay na.
Maraming pressure.
Baka SGA team yung kalaban.
Free throw lang. Free throw ang puhunan.
Oo, tama ka naman.
Mix! Mix! May foul tayo, Mix!
Pwede kayo mag-foul ah! Foul! Pwede kayo mag-foul!
Marami pa kayo. May foul tayo, ha? May foul tayo.
Dalawa pa lang sila.
Oy, pwede kayo mag-foul ah. May 6 pa kayo.
Boys!
Wala nang timeout mo teams.
Alfi!
Ano? Foul?
Tatlo pa lang. May 5 pa.
Foul ni Jack.
Again?
Yeah.
Mahal bayad dito sa table na to ah. Uy, tauhin nyo na!
Mix! Foul pa tayo, ha? Carlo!
5 pa. May 5 pa kayo. Baba.
Ay, sa baba daw, sa baba. Counted? Basket? Oh, sa baba!
Foul.
Dapat inano na lang yun. Pinabayaan na lang.
Hindi, top hard foul na yun.
Guys! Tayo na! Kuha!
Nakawan. Nasip pa isa.
Tama tayo, ha? Tama na. Boys!
No, it's 30. 23 plus 14. Yeah, you put an envelope there. Get one in. There's no envelope. Whose end was there?
Hey!
He got
Because there's 35. So they got 3 points. They got... Sablay yung free throw, di ba? Yung free throw, sablay. O, 37 lang yan. Kasi isa
Nakuha
lang
yun,
lang
nakuha
eh.
yun. Pati yung